fast-paced world of power utilities, maintaining grid stability is paramount. The client is one of the largest power utility companies in North America, responsible for delivering consistent, reliable electricity to millions of households and businesses. The sheer size and complexity of their power grids make it an immensely challenging task to maintain a high level of stability and reliability. Conventional stability checks involve simulations and manual analysis with various contingencies, potential disturbances like equipment failure or natural disasters that could jeopardize the grid's functionality. Transmission experts then analyze thousands of resultant signal profiles to evaluate the grid stability. These checks are labor-intensive and take hours of expert time daily. Soothsayer Analytics leveraged artificial intelligence and machine learning to create a tailored solution. With our innovative approach of automating signal analysis, our solution significantly reduced assessment time and effort. Complex signal data was pre-processed and engineered, revealing crucial insights for stability assessments. Customized machine learning models predicted stability under various contingencies with up to 98% accuracy. The value of Soothsayer's solution was immense. Efficiency and time-saving process with quick and accurate evaluations in minutes, liberating valuable time for strategic initiatives. Freed time allowed experts to focus on strategic studies and contingency planning, enhancing operational efficiency. Built for scalability, our solution adapts to evolving complexities, ensuring long-term effectiveness. High efficiency leads to substantial cost savings, enabling judicious resource allocation.